Buckhorn Creek Park, near Jefferson, Texas, features 57 RV campsites with water and electric hookups. There are also 38 non-electric tent campsites which have a tent pad, picnic table, fire ring, and lantern pole. Restrooms with showers are located in each section of the park. Trash receptacles are located throughout the park. A boat ramp, courtesy dock, playground, and sewer dump station are also provided. Lake O' the Pines includes about 18,700 acres of water and 9,000 acres of land, encompassing an area so large it spans 5 counties. The lake was created by the construction of the Ferrell's Bridge Dam on the Big Cypress Bayou. The reservoir was originally created as part of the overall plan for flood control in the Red River Basin below Denison Dam in Oklahoma, and has now become a recreational oasis for outdoor enthusiasts. Boating, fishing, water sports, and wildlife viewing are all popular pastimes at the campground. Hunting opportunities for white-tailed deer, waterfowl, and small game are available on nearby public lands. Lake O' the Pines fishing includes largemouth, spotted, and white bass along with crappie, catfish, and sunfish. In addition to boat fishing, there are areas for bank fishing along the shore and below the dam along Big Cypress Bayou. Birdwatchers are also encouraged to bring their binoculars as numerous resident and migratory bird species inhabit the area. Bald eagle sightings are a common occurrence in fall and winter, and they are occasionally sighted in spring and summer. Buckhorn has recreation sites. RV electric, tent only non-electric, standard electric, overnight. Activities: a swimming site, wildlife viewing, water sports, hiking, fishing, camping, boating, a boat dock, drinking water, dump station, flush toilets, paved parking, paved roads, paved sites. Pets are allowed. There is a playground, showers, water hookup, campfire rings, electric hookups, lantern posts, picnic tables, a boat ramp, cell phone service, lake access, security lights, trash collection, water hookups, electricity hookup, tent pads, picnic area. The nearby towns of Jefferson and Marshall offer plenty of historic and tourist attractions, and Texas wildflower trail routes are located along the roads surrounding the lake.